see the screen?
Yeah,
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, we are going to talk about the overview of Duolingo text. Overview का मतलब है as a summary. What is exactly this test is? This test first of all online है. Online. Have you heard about PT?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So PT भी anyhow online है. तो PT और इसमें क्या फर्क है? That this test पहले आपको प्री बुक नहीं करना होता. ये नहीं है कि आपको स्लॉट चेक करना है कौन से टाइम पे अवेलेबल है, कहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, लोकेशन कौन सी है. सो यू कैन गिव दिस टेस्ट एट योर होम ऑल्सो.
ओके।
आपके पास कंप्यूटर होना चाहिए, आपके पास माइक्रोफोन होना चाहिए, एंड देन यू नो जो जनरल बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है सिस्टम की वो होनी चाहिए. दैट्स इट. सो यू डोंट हैव टू ट्रैवल, यू डोंट हैव टू बुक इन एडवांस. You go online on the website of Duolingo English Test. You pay the amount online and then you can start your test.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. टेस्ट की जो ड्यूरेशन है वो 60 मिनट्स है. बट
Yes,
दैट
ma'am.
डजंट मीन कि 60 मिनट्स के लिए आप टेस्ट दे रहे हैं. 5 मिनट्स का सेटअप होता है पहले. सो पहले यू नो दे विल टेल यू ओके दीज आर द रूल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. वो कंप्लीट सेटअप होता है. देन यू डू द टेस्ट ऑफ 45 मिनट्स एंड देन उसके बाद एक आपकी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग होती है एंड देन देयर इज अ राइटिंग ऑल्सो. जो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है और जो राइटिंग है उसके मार्क्स नहीं मिलते, बट वो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग एंड दैट राइटिंग गोज टू द यूनिवर्सिटी और द कॉलेज दैट यू आर अप्लाइंग टू.
मैम वो राइटिंग वाला
टॉपिक सेम
जैसे
जैसे
होता है
में होता है वैसे ही राइट करना होता है.
जस्ट अ सेकेंड. पहले आप दोनों अपने आप को म्यूट करें. कैन यू सी दिस साइन? कैन यू प्रेस दिस?
मुझे
Okay. Now whosoever want to ask the question वो अपने आप को अनम्यूट करे. जिसको क्वेश्चन पूछना है वो अनम्यूट करके मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछे. Yes, who was asking? Joe, who was asking me the question? Yes.
मैम ये सेम राइटिंग टॉपिक जो होता है वो सेम आइल्स की तरह ही होता है. जैसे हम 250 वर्ड्स लिखते हैं वैसे
इसमें 100 वर्ड्स का, इसमें 150 वर्ड्स के लिए आपको लिखना पड़ता है. एंड you don't get like 20 minutes to write on this. कंपैरेटिवली कम टाइम मिलता है. टॉपिक्स आपको दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं, जैसे ऐसे राइटिंग होता है हमारा आइल्स में, करेक्ट. तो ऐसे राइटिंग में आपके पास सिर्फ एक ही टॉपिक होता है और आपको उस पर लिखना है. बट ड्यूलिंगो में क्या है, ड्यूलिंगो में आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं और आप किसी भी एक पे आप लिख सकते हैं.
ओके मैम.
ओके
मैम ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं होता है जैसे आइल्स में थोड़ा जा
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आइल्स में आइल्स के ना पैरामीटर्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं कि आपने यू नो कनेक्टर्स यूज करने हैं, आपने 4 पैराग्राफ्स लिखने हैं, आपने इंट्रोडक्शन पैराफ्रेज करना है, आपकी वोकैबुलरी होनी चाहिए. बट इस टेस्ट में ये सब नहीं है.
ओके मैम.
ओके. नाउ द थर्ड पॉइंट इज ब्लेंड्स लिसनिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग. ब्लेंड का मतलब है इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल टुगेदर. कुछ अलग अलग नहीं है, सेपरेट नहीं है. रिजल्ट जो है आपका 48 आवर्स मतलब कि 2 डेज में, अगर आप आज टेस्ट देते हैं विद इन 2 डेज यू गेट योर रिजल्ट ऑनलाइन. कॉस्ट इस टेस्ट की है 3,799 रुपीज. whereas how much do we pay for IELTS? Nearly 13,000. So we nearly pay 13,000 for IELTS, but whereas Duolingo is only costing you $49. And this test is adaptive. Now the thing is कि adaptive होता क्या है. Example, I'll tell you with the example. आपने एक क्वेश्चन करा, जो क्वेश्चन लेट्स से उस क्वेश्चन में था कि आपने कुछ वर्ड्स आपकी स्क्रीन पे थे और उनमें से आपने सिर्फ जो इंग्लिश वर्ड्स हैं उनको सिलेक्ट करना था. ठीक है. अब वो टास्क आपने गलत अटेम्प्ट करा, तो सिस्टम क्या करेगा कि सिस्टम जो आपको नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देगा वो कंपैरेटिवली अब इजी देगा. इसका मतलब है एडेप्टिव. एडेप्टिव का सिंपल वे कि अगर आप आंसर गलत कर रहे हो तो सिस्टम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपको इजी देगा। अगर आपके आंसर्स ठीक जा रहे हैं तो आपका टेस्ट डिफिकल्ट होता रहेगा, अगर आपके आंसर्स गलत जा रहे हैं तो आपका टेस्ट इजी हो जाएगा। ये सिस्टम में है। एनी डाउट? ओके, सो शैल आई मूव ऑन? Okay, now we'll start with the practice test. What exactly Duolingo में अगर आप टेस्ट देते हैं तो कैसे करना है? Okay, what are the question types or the item types that you may get in a Duolingo test? First is your yes no vocabulary. Yes no vocabulary, like I was telling you, you are given a set of words and you have to say which are English words and which are not. Are you clear? For example, if I ask assumption, can you unmute yourself, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I ask you assumption, assumption is an English word or yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I tell you bonjour,
Sorry.
bonjour, bonjour,
Ayur मैम?
bonjour, bonjour.
No, ma'am.
It's not an English word. So simple है. I'll tell you how you should do it. जो वर्ड पढ़ा हुआ है, जो वर्ड सुना हुआ है, that is an English word. जो वर्ड नहीं सुना, so that is not an English word. अपना ये मत सोचना, यार पता नहीं, डाउट है, होगा नहीं होगा. The only way to practice is to actually read a lot. The next question type is write from dictation. You have to listen a particular sentence. Tomorrow I will be going to the library. Tomorrow I'll be going to school for my assignment. So this kind of a sentence you will hear and you have to write the sentence. If I tell you in a one go, the dinner that I had yesterday was really delicious. Simple. अब वो फटाफट आपको टाइप करना है. The dinner I had yesterday was really delicious. It means मैं आपको कुछ बोल रही हूँ और आप राइट कर रहे हैं. That is write from dictation.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Then next is read aloud. Read aloud means आपकी स्क्रीन पे एक सेंटेंस लिखा हुआ है और आपने उसको रीड करना है. Example, you have a sentence stating that okay, brain drain is one of the things that is happening globally, and people are very keen to move to the countries that have a greener pastures. ऐसा कुछ sentence लिखा है. So you have a sentence in front of you and you're going to read it. That is your read aloud. Clear hai? The fourth is type missing letter. Missing letter mein it's quite simple. It's like fill in the blanks. आपके सामने एक टेक्स्ट है, उसमें कुछ कुछ जगह देयर आर कुछ वर्ड्स मिसिंग है. एग्जाम्पल अगर 16 लिखना है, हर एज इज 16, तो 6 लिखा है और 4 स्पेसेस का ब्लैंक है. तो आपने वो अपनी इंटेलिजेंस यूज करनी है. हर एज इज 16, तो आपने टीन को फिल करना है.
Okay.
गॉट इट?
Yes.
Yes.
नाउ दिस एक्सटेंडेड स्पीकिंग एंड एक्सटेंडेड राइटिंग, ये वही है जो मैं आपको अभी बता रही थी कि आपको एक टॉपिक मिलता है जिस पे आपको बोलना होता है. जैसे हमारे आइल्स में हमारे स्पीकिंग में क्यू कार्ड होता है,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही क्यू कार्ड आपको इसमें मिलता है. एंड एक्सटेंडेड राइटिंग, यू गेट अ टॉपिक एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट. द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन ड्यूलिंगो और ड्यूलिंगो में एक्चुअली ये चीज थोड़ी टफ है, that you are not allowed to take notes. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप अपना टेस्ट दे रहे हैं और आपने अपने साथ में कोई नोटबुक रख ली है और आप फटाफट नोट्स लिख रहे हो कि हमने ऐसे लिखने से पहले प्लानिंग कर ली, या क्यू कार्ड बोलने से पहले फटाफट नोट्स बना लिए. वो चीज आप नहीं कर सकते.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you see this text in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want you to quickly go through this text, and then there is an exercise. That exercise, I'll tell you what the exercise will be after this. First, quickly go through this, and then once you are done, let me know. Once you finish reading, do tell me.
Tim lived in England for 2 years, then moved to Jordan, where he lived there for 10 years. Tim then moved to Cyprus to study at
Don't read loudly. Don't read
Tarian
loudly.
University.
Just finish reading and let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall I begin with the next PowerPoint?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the same text that you read just now. But now what you have to do, they are fill in the blanks, and I want you to fill this up.
Yes, ma'am.
You have some pen paper with you? You have a pen paper? If not,
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Fill in the blanks and let me know once you're done.
Okay, ma'am.
Like this only you get in missing letter, which is as per Duolingo exam, and you get 3 minutes to do this.
Mm.
Are we done?
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the okay? I want first of all, we'll go one by one. So the first answer will be given by Jyoth and the other one by the next person. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Jyoth, can you tell me the first answer?
Live. Live.
LIV.
ED. Lived.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, there THERE.
There तो नहीं है, there are only two blanks. It's only two blanks there, तो there तो नहीं आएगा. Any idea?
THEN, ma'am. Then moved.
THEN. Okay, then Jyot, you.
Ma'am, study. STUDY.
Pritpal, you.
Ma'am, next to university, ma'am.
Spelling.
UNIVERSITY.
Okay. Just a second. Can you all check now, both of you,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
answers?
Read America. Engineering. Yes, ma'am.
All correct?
Yes, ma'am. Only engineer की spelling में मैम एक missing था.
Okay. Now see, you know what I have done? I have shown you the text before. लेकिन एग्जाम में ऐसे नहीं होगा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how we will practice? This is something that you read, because as a trainer to
Yes,
my
ma'am.
students, मैं, you know, even when I teach IELTS or I teach PT, I tell to my students कि शुरू से अपने आप को ये मत सोचो कि मेरा टेस्ट कल है.
Okay, ma'am.
पहले अपने आप को प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रैक्टिस करो. जिस तरह से प्रैक्टिस हो सकती है, जिस कंफर्ट से प्रैक्टिस हो सकती है, उस कंफर्ट से प्रैक्टिस करो.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. सो इनिशियली व्हाट आई विल डू, मैं आपको टेक्स्ट दूंगी एंड देन उसी टेक्स्ट में से फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दूंगी. बट
Okay, ma'am.
आफ्टर सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, मे बी आफ्टर 1 week, then what we do, then I will let you do the practice without looking at any text, just normal fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so again this is all about कि how we will teach you. First of all, obviously newspaper पढ़ना चाहिए, magazine पढ़ना चाहिए, article पढ़ना चाहिए, but it's not important कि newspaper में मैं कुछ boring stuff ही पढूं. If you
Yes,
have an interest in movies, you can always read something about movies, right?
yes, yes,
If you
ma'am.
have an interest in TikTok, then you should always read something about TikTok.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
do something that you like.
Yes, ma'am.
बिकॉज अगर बोरिंग स्टफ ही पढ़ना है तो ऑब्वियसली उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड हाउ आई विल हेल्प यू एज अ ट्रेनर, वी विल स्टडी टुगेदर. co-read study material, it means it's not that I will tell you to study and then I will take my phone and do something on my phone. No, we are going to study together
Yes, ma'am.
and then fill in the, जो हमने पढ़ा है उसी में से हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे fill in the blanks की.
Okay, ma'am.
प्रैक्टिस मिसिंग लेटर्स फ्रॉम देम एंड देन पीयर रिव्यू. अभी क्या हो रहा था कि आप दोनों ने टेस्ट करा और मैंने चेक करा, बट
Yes,
व्हेन
ma'am.
वी गो फॉर क्लासेस, एक्चुअल क्लासेस होती हैं, तो एट टाइम्स आई टेल द स्टूडेंट्स टू चेक द अदर स्टूडेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
इससे क्या होता है कि एक्चुअली आप देखते हो कि एक्चुअली यू नो देन यू ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द मिस्टेक्स.
Yes, ma'am.
जब हम एज अ स्टूडेंट होते हैं हमें गलतियां नहीं दिखती हैं, बट व्हेन वी बिकम अ ट्रेनर और व्हेन वी बिकम अ टीचर, वी ट्राई टू फाइंड द मिस्टेक्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now again this is a kind of a question that you will get where I was telling you कि आपको कुछ list of words मिलता है, उस list में कुछ English words होते हैं या कुछ ऐसे words होते हैं जिनका कोई meaning ही नहीं है, बस बना दिए. You
Okay, ma'am.
have to find out the English words from this.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one by one I will start from Pitfall. Pitfall, the first word. Do you think it is an English word or no?
Ma'am, English word.
It is an English word. Pitfall.
Ma'am, दो चीजें डबल ही है ना. इसलिए sorry.
No, the first word, livid. Is it an English word? Yes, no, simple.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no.
Very good. दोनों का ठीक है. Next word, moved.
English word, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, succeed.
English
Yes,
word,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next, unlived.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मीनिंगलेस जो
अनलिव्ड आपने सुना हुआ है कि नहीं सुना हुआ? सिंपल
मैम सुना।
सुना है?
नो मैम,
एक्चुअली ये कोई वर्ड नहीं है.
नो मैम,
इट्स नॉट
मीनिंगलेस है।
इंग्लिश वर्ड.
यस मैम।
अप्लायंस.
अप्लायंस मैम ये इंग्लिश वर्ड है।
ओके. ट्रम्पाइन.
नो मैम।
इंग्लिश वर्ड है मैम।
ट्रम्पाइन कोई वर्ड नहीं है, मैंने खुद ही बनाया है.
यस मैम। नो मैम, ये है ही नहीं।
assumption.
ये इंग्लिश वर्ड है मैम।
मैम इंग्लिश वर्ड है।
ओके. रेगुलेशन.
रेगुलेशन इंग्लिश वर्ड है मैम।
फैंटेसी.
इंग्लिश वर्ड है मैम।
इंग्लिश वर्ड।
ये कोई वर्ड नहीं है, मैंने बनाया है.
फैंटेसी मैम होता
वो
है ना, उसके
फैंटेसी
स्पेलिंग
होता है
अलग होते हैं।
जिसमें मैं
हाँ,
बताती. फैंटेसी होता है FANTASY.
ऐसा है।
ओके. उसमें वाई
हाँ,
होता है,
उसमें
I
बाय।
डबल E के. देयर
हाँ
इज
जी
नो
मैम।
सच वर्ड. क्रेजीएस्ट.
क्रेजियस्ट होता है मैम इंग्लिश वर्ड।
वेरी गुड. रिलायंस.
रिलायंस भी है मैम इंग्लिश वर्ड।
रिलायंस कोई वर्ड नहीं है, इट्स थ्रिल.
थ्रिल,
Yes,
हाँ, थ्रिल्स का है
थर्स्टी.
मैम, ये इंग्लिश वर्ड है।
वर्ड है मैम।
ओके. So now you understood. So there are certain words जो हमें लगता है कि हमने पढ़े हुए, लेकिन वो ऐसा कोई वर्ड है ही नहीं.
यस मैम।
ओके. अब थ्रिल है, थ्रिलांस कोई वर्ड नहीं है. फैंटेसी है, फैंटेसी नहीं है.
यस मैम।
So this is a trick that you will be given when you appear for a Duolingo English test. Up till now, any doubts?
नो मैम।
Clear?
यस मैम।
Okay. So how I will train you if you have a task like this, how to select English word and non-English words. So how we will do it? Highlight incorrect words. I will give you a text, and from text there will be some incorrect words like spelling errors. So I will
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
you to correct those spelling errors.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
will actually start studying with a high concentration.
Yes, ma'am.
And then write from dictation. Write from dictation means I will be telling you a kind of a passage, maybe 3 sentences, 4 sentences to write, and you will write. और उसमें
Okay.
से कुछ ना कुछ non English words होंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is a trick that I will play, but this trick will actually help you to make your vocabulary better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. The third type that you may get is wherein you are given one image, and then you just have to speak on this image, or you have to write about the image. या तो लिखना पड़ेगा, either you have to type or you have to speak.
Okay, ma'am.
So, and then there is no time to prepare.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah, ma'am. Sorry for the late.
Is that Avi?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Avi, actually, I have completed half of the presentation, but still for you, as you have joined in between, so I will begin once. Let me finish the whole, and then we will quickly go through again.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine.
Okay. So
Okay.
this is the kind of a test that you may get, wherein you are given an image and you will be either asked to quickly record within 1 minute about something about the image, or write 1 or 2 sentences about the image. So
Yes.
can you tell me anything about this image? Anything that comes to your mind?
It is a house, and it is a hilly station as well. So there is a dark eyes in the hilly station. We can see.
Jyoth, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Jyoth, can you say anything about one sentence only? Jyoth, one sentence
Yes.
only.
Ma'am, look like a hill station.
And Prabh, Preetpal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Preetpal,
this is
you
a
want
hill
to say
station.
anything? What did you say?
Ma'am, this is a hill station.
This is a
Hill station. Ma'am.
hill station. Okay. Okay. So what I want to say is like as soon as you get any image, what we should say, how we should start with, the given image is about. This becomes your template. Correct? कोई
Yeah.
भी image आएगी beginning में, you can at least say this, the given image is
Is
about a house which is on a hilly mountain, which is on a snowy mountain. Can we say it like that?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So what we need to know is like, you something you have to prepare yourself in advance, और बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी है. It is just that you need to have a good flow, that you are ready to record, because वहां पे टाइमर, आपकी स्क्रीन पे टाइमर चल रहा होता है, the timer is going on and you
Yes.
have to record immediately.
Okay, ma'am.
So what we could say, the given image is about a house which is on a snowy mountain. Full stop. You should always write two sentences. One लिखा है, but we are not school students कि मैं एक simple सा sentence बना दूं. So I
Okay.
should always frame more than one sentence. How I can frame? Moreover, moreover, I can. Moreover, no one can be seen inside the house or outside the house. This we can say, no one can be seen, because it's a house, but we
Yes, ma'am.
can't see anyone, so no one can be seen inside the house or outside the house. The
Yes.
mountains are covered with snow.
Yes, ma'am.
Although although the space near the house has less snow, so you can frame sentences, but see, it needs practice. You can be given an image of a highway, you can be given an image of just a forest, so you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
know how you have to frame the sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
So ma'am, we need to start as a it is a picture of, or
The
it is
given
a image of
image, yeah, the
the
given
given image.
image
About.
Okay.
is about, just see, we are, एक logic understand करो. Any question that you attempt, just think that you are attempting it only one time. जब मुझे one time attempt करना है, let me have a set line for that.
Okay, ma'am.
At that time I should not decide कि मुझे ये बोलना है, the given image is about, और मैं ये बोलूं from the picture I can see. You set yourself कि मुझे क्या बोलना है, and that should be done before,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
so that your answers are planned answer. अगर हम planning पहले से नहीं करते, preparation पहले से नहीं करते, you blabber a lot. blabber का मतलब हम बहुत ज्यादा अटकते हैं.
Okay.
Okay, how we are going to help you to prepare on this? We're gonna provide you with a template like I gave you. So I'm going to share at least 10 to 20 images with you, and 10 to 20 images के साथ हम उसके क्या बोल सकते हैं, what we can speak on that. So that
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to share with you, and that will help you to at least practice on a good way.
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Okay.
work on typing two sentences. Again, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, one sentence हम नहीं लिखेंगे, one sentence हम नहीं बोलेंगे. We should always try on doing two sentences. And then time management, that is a key, because if you complete half sentence, or if you complete एक sentence तो पूरा हो गया, second वाला हम type कर रहे थे, but second we could not complete full. Obviously, you will not get the full score.
Okay.
Okay, this is again a kind of activity. See, this is a text here. I want you to find out the spellings which are wrong in this. Are you clear, all three of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So from this text, please find out the incorrect spellings. And your time starts now.
Okay.
Avik, do you have a pen paper with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you are done, please tell me.
Ma'am, take communication.
Done?
Ma'am, third passage,
Wait,
third
wait,
line,
wait.
there is
I'll
no
tell you when to
communication.
tell me. I'll tell you when to tell me.
Online unique ना over unique बस
Are we done? All three of you?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Who has
little bit,
done?
ma'am.
Both you have done? Jodh, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritpal?
Yes, ma'am.
Avi?
Yeah, almost, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, done.
Okay, one by one, I want you to let's go in the order. First, Jodh will tell, then Pritpal will tell, then Avik will tell. So we'll go in this order, and only one spelling error you have to tell me with the correct spelling. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Jodh, can you start?
Yes, ma'am. Online unique, ma'am. UNIQUE.
Okay, next.
Ma'am,
Pritpal.
ma'am, third ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ communication, ma'am.
Hmm.
COMMUNICATION.
Okay, is Avik, is there any spelling error in between this?
Especially in communication. So, ma'am.
Okay, spatially. What is the right spelling of spatially?
Yes.
Very good. So now Jyoth, next to you. Which is the next error?
Ma'am, lug.
Lug English word है. Next.
Ma'am, next हैगा ma'am cupboard.
Briefcase की
Ma'am,
spelling ठीक है?
scribble.
How
No,
about briefcase?
no,
Briefcase
no.
spelling wrong है, ma'am.
Yes.
BREAF.
Briefcase. Okay. After briefcase, which is the wrong spelling?
Ma'am, cupboard. यहाँ
Chalkboard.
ma'am, हाँ जी, यहाँ cupboard आएगा कि chalkboard?
This is chalkboard. What is the right spelling
Ma'am,
of chalk?
CHALK.
Very good. It's CHALK.
LK आएगा मैम इसमें.
Okay. And then which is the next wrong spelling? So the next wrong spelling, please.
Conference.
Conference मैम.
So what is the problem in this?
मैम इसमें double F है.
Double F.
Single F आएगा.
Very good. So why I made you do this practice? If you do this practice, तो आपके जो fill in the blanks होते हैं या फिर write from dictation, this everything will get clear because you took time to find out the mistakes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm moving to next slide now. Any doubts till now? Any three of you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. I think this is the most important part.
Yes.
Avik, have you given IELTS before?
Yes, ma'am. Once I gave the IELTS, I am got 6.5 in three each module except reading, and in reading I got 5.5.
I think we all should send some complaint letter to British Council and IDP that why the students are not scoring in reading, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But the thing, ma'am, I don't know, but I have a question actually. When I checked the very next day on Sunday after the day after the exam, and I found I scored around 25 to 26, and I gave the exam on IDP. But when the result came out, it was 5.5, and it was quite shocking to me actually on that moment because I don't think so.
How do you
The
know
paper
your
was good.
score was 25?
Ma'am, in the YouTube, there are a lot of YouTube channel which provides the results, means answer,
Hmm.
probable answer on the very next day, 4 or the 6 evening. So I checked on the very next day. That's why,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
And I scored each and every module 6.5. That's why it was very
So,
shocking
in
to
that
me.
case, what you could have done, you could have put it for re-evaluation.
But it couldn't work, ma'am,
No,
as far as I
re-evaluation
heard about it.
works. I have many students. I have my
Okay.
own institute. So, I have many students. Though, but I tell them re-evaluation के लिए तभी डालो when you have the confidence in you. अगर आपको अपने
Okay.
में confidence होता है and I have students also put for re-evaluation and they actually get the score high.
Okay, ma'am.
And the best part is अगर आपका score बढ़ता है re-evaluation में,
Hmm.
you get the money back.
Yes, I heard it. Ma'am, I have a question. Actually,
Yes,
in the following means, uh, this is the here is written Duolingo and IELTS comparison. Fine.
correct.
So, how much I need to look at? Actually, I am looking for graduate certificate in Canada.
So if you're going for graduation, you need a overall of 6 bands in IELTS. So
No,
for
no,
Duolingo,
graduate certification. For me, it was 6.5.
okay, if you're looking for 6.5, so in Duolingo you should score at least 110 or 105 between this. That only will give you 6.5. If you can see this
Okay.
table,
Hmm.
6.5 in IELTS means
Yes,
105 to
105 to
110 in
110.
Duolingo. But a week, have you given any practice test till now?
Yes, ma'am. Couple of
How
tests
much
I
was
have
the score?
already given. Ha, and I scored in every exam. The below portion was 90, and the above was sometimes 130, sometimes 115, 125 in this range. But the lower range always it was 90 only,
Let me
not
okay.
85 and not 95.
Let me clarify this thing to all three of you.
Okay,
See,
ma'am.
अभी क्या है Duolingo obviously अब IELTS बंद है, PT बंद है, and we still have this thing that we have to go abroad, correct? And
Yes,
universities are actually taking admissions. We have students जिनको अभी भी ऑफर लेटर मिल रहा है यूनिवर्सिटी से, कनाडा की यूनिवर्सिटीज भेज रही हैं, यूके की यूनिवर्सिटीज आज की डेट में भी ऑफर लेटर भेज रही हैं डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डॉक्यूमेंट्स वी सबमिट. Okay, so let me clarify one thing to you that we never know when IELTS get. Okay, so हमारे पास एक ही चीज है अभी Duolingo है हमारे पास. And
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you submit your Duolingo scores along with your documents to your university, there is a possibility that you will get an offer letter.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now coming, अभी हम practice test कर रहे हैं Duolingo का जो online available है, right?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
जो online practice test available है, that is only for 15 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
और मेरा एक्चुअल टेस्ट है जो टेस्ट
1
मैंने
hour.
देना दैट एनी हाउ 1 hour, बट जो जहाँ पे मेरे को अटेम्प्ट करना है दैट इजिली टेक्स 45 to 50 minutes. इट मीन्स जो टास्क होंगे वो रिपीट होंगे.
Yes.
अगर मिसिंग लेटर ये नहीं है कि मिसिंग लेटर सिर्फ एक बार ही आएगा, मिसिंग
Okay,
लेटर
ma'am.
इजिली मेरे पास 3 बार ही आ जाएगा.
Hmm.
So you will be having the task which will be repeated. So what I want to say कि अभी जब हम practice test कर रहे हैं जो सिर्फ 15 minutes का है, अगर उसमें मेरा score so called score अगर 115 भी आ रहा है, I should not rely on that कि यार मेरा इतना score आ गया है तो हो जाएगा. Till the time you actually give your actual test.
Okay,
Are,
ma'am.
are you getting this, Avi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a question
Tell
regarding
me.
it. Actually, you told me that if I got a Duolingo, if 105 or 110, then I can get admission in the colleges. Fine.
Correct.
So, but if I want to go in the September intake and I apply for September intake and the college accept it or provide the offer letter, but the visa office will not approve the Duolingo, I
I'll
guess.
tell you one
They
thing. I'll tell you, we are in touch with the universities, okay,
okay.
because we do study visa also, and we have students for whom we are doing it. So we are in
Okay.
touch with the universities, and what universities are telling, even if the visa office doesn't open and the offer letter is there and the fees, not the 100% fees, but the fees is paid, they are
Hmm.
going to enroll you and they will start the online classes also.
Okay.
This is the communication that we have from the universities there.
But for the visa purpose, I had to give the IELTS only.
See again, visa purpose IELTS because सबको IELTS ही पता था. And
Yes, ma'am.
till if the embassy is open, just
Hmm.
imagine a practically हमें बात करनी है. Embassies
Hmm.
open हो जाती हैं और
Hmm.
IELTS open नहीं होता.
Hmm.
So what is the option available? Duolingo only.
Obviously.
So we have to look at the practicality also, because IELTS, if we all have given IELTS, so you imagine a scenario like I'm from Delhi, so I have like, at one time 200 students are giving IELTS together.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
a huge number.
It's a huge number. And who will
Yeah.
take this risk कि एक छोटे से room में 200 people are sitting together?
No. It's a very challenging for a time being.
It's a challenging. And right now अगर आप Duolingo दे देते हो, Duolingo test is valid for 2 years.
Yes, I checked it.
Okay, it is valid for 2 years. So at least you never know अगर IELTS और PT नहीं खुला या TOEFL नहीं खुला, Duolingo
Hmm.
for sure is going to raise their fees.
Oh, yes.
For sure
Yes,
ना,
ma'am.
उनका तो USP हो गया.
Yes, ma'am. हाँ.
They will be all over
हाँ.
Yes.
the market.
Hmm.
So they will for sure raise their fees to 10,000, no doubt in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Avik, this is for you. I'm quickly taking you through what I have just discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, majorly the types of the question and how we are going to train the students so that they appear for Duolingo easily. First of all, we are going to practice on, let's say this is a missing letter completion text task. So we are going to work on first reading something and then finding the missing letters from what you have read. So what I have done, I shared this text with the students. They read it
Okay.
thoroughly and then I made certain sentences like missing from the same text.
Okay.
They had to fill this. So this is to check how much concentration they had.
Yes.
Okay. And then what happens in the stage 2? I have this fill in the blank stage wise. I have certain stages to practice 1, 2, 3, 4. One is when you have a text, you read it, and then you get the fill in the blanks from the same text. Stage 2 is you don't have a text and then you still have to do the fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Did you got?
Yes, ma'am.
And again we practice this English words, which are the real English words and which are not. And this
Hmm.
was a very good exercise. Am I right, Jyot and Pritpal?
Yes, ma'am.
This was a fun exercise with them, wherein actually I changed the words and some of the words they said these are English words. Okay, so Any questions till now? Any kind of a question you have about Duolingo?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Just to quickly tell you, I'm going to start a batch of Duolingo on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. If you are looking for any kind of a training on Duolingo, it's a short batch. It's just 15 classes, and the
Yes,
fees
ma'am.
for the same will be 3,000 rupees. So if you are looking for enrolling and
Acha,
appearing,
ma'am, I have a little bit question actually.
tell tell me.
The first of all, the it's a regular classes. Means actually, I'm looking for September intake, na. As and I have already told you that I'm looking for graduate certification. So
Correct.
that's why I called.
It's
Because
a
actually
15
I'm
days of
a
continuous class.
continuous means 7 days in a week.
No, I will be giving a alternate days.
Okay, alternate
So
days.
it
Okay, fine.
stretches to a month. See, because if I give daily, it gets
Hmm.
kind of a tiring for you because you don't get time for self practice. But if I give a
Yes.
1 day gap, obviously I give something to practice also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So the batches are starting from Monday. And if you want to enroll or if you have any doubts, you can always send me a WhatsApp message.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 15 classes,
Okay,
no, ma'am.
15 classes, yes.
Okay, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. I want to join another question I have in the
Yes,
writing section
yeah.
because in the if I consider the IELTS writing, there are
Mm,
40 minutes and we can consider it 45 to 50 minutes according to my speed
correct.
and the knowledge and the quality. Huh, but there is enough time to think about it. But if I
True.
come to Duolingo writing test, in that matter, here the timing is only 5 minutes. So I don't have enough time and I have to write at least 50 words. It is not a very small word
Mm,
within 50 minutes. So I have to write the quality word as well because
correct.
otherwise they will not give it to the marks. So that's why I have a question.
Let me clarify you on this, and let me clarify you on this. See, when we do writing, you get two options. Any topic you can select to write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
essay on. So when
Yes.
you're writing your essay, obviously for Duolingo you have to practice yourself very well, and that too when you're practicing you should know कि मुझे introduction में paraphrasing नहीं करनी. So there are certain steps that you should follow in Duolingo, which
Okay.
should not be same like IELTS. IELTS में हम क्या करते थे, पहले हम paraphrasing कर रहे हैं, and
Introduction,
then
then
exactly.
Yes,
body.
But in Duolingo, it doesn't need an introduction. You just give your opinion in the first line and start giving your reasons. It doesn't need an example.
okay, ma'am.
So first thing, opinion, reasons, conclusion. That's it. Don't give any examples. Don't paraphrase. No explanation.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have enough time, ma'am. Only 5 minutes.
Don't have
It's
time.
very,
So you need to
yeah.
know what you are writing.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
If you have any doubts, do let me know regarding your study visa also, as we specialize in study visa. So let me know if
Yes,
you have
ma'am. I
any
have
doubts.
a
Yeah,
little bit
yeah.
few of questions. Actually, as I have told I am looking for September intake, and I am looking for actually I'm a software engineer. Okay, means
Okay.
BSc Computer Science, and after that I am working three and a half years, more than 3.5 years. So, and I have a total gap of 5 years in September. Okay, so and I am looking for actually Canada or either Canada or Conestoga College because there is a financial crunch little bit, so I have a budget crunch. Means
Correct.
my yeah, so that's why I am looking for Conestoga. Basically, Conestoga is a good college
ठीक
within
है.
$15,000. Yeah. So actually, is it possible to get a admission if I take a 15 classes from now onwards? Because today is the 18th April, and 15 classes means 18th of May, around on an average, or 15th of May. So that's why I want to know.
May, June, July, you have time.
No, his application procedure is finished in September intake because I am looking for September intake. That's why I asked you.
Okay. Just a second. I'll just. Can you just hold on?
Yeah.
A week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have Aman sir with me, and he is
Yeah.
specialized actually he's the one who specializes in study visa, and I am the trainer here for IELTS PT Duolingo. So I
Okay,
just
ma'am.
checked with him, and he's telling that today only he got the update from the universities in Canada
Yes.
that they are accepting applications till May end. So May end is the deadline for September intake.
Okay.
And for Jan intake, it's mid of
No, no.
November.
Actually, I'm
But
looking
as
for
you're looking for
September intake.
September, so
Yeah.
May is the deadline to submit your documents.
May is the deadline for, and okay, fine, ma'am. But at least how many days? Actually, I want to take as many classes as possible as soon because I want to give
See, I'll tell you,
as possible.
see, it's obviously we are open for as many as classes as we want to, but within
Yeah.
a week, let's see how's the improvement happening.
Okay, fine.
See,
That is not a big issue for
I
me.
will get the benefit अगर मैं बोलूँ 50 classes ले लो, you will be paying me more. But I don't want to say that. Let's see the improvement.
Mhm.
Maybe you
Okay,
will
fine.
do within 15 days, and
And
then
ma'am, what about the writing passages? You will provide me all the documents and yeah.
I'll share all the details of the writing.
Okay. And another question is, shall I need to pay all the amounts once, or I want to pay the all amount in a two part? That would be better for
No,
me.
actually, that's the company protocol that you have to pay all in like all at one go.
But
Even if what
actually
we
now
can
the
do
time
is
is
like you
due
can
to
take one
Corona. There is
class.
a, huh,
No, no,
sorry.
you can take a class or a regular class and then enroll. That we give the liberty. It's not like you pay me today and then you join the class.
No, no.
So
I
we are
thank you, ma'am, for you. Actually, I will get the salary from my company. It's the last day of April. That's why I asked you actually.
okay.
There is
Last day of
nothing, anything. April, yeah. And
Okay,
you will
let's do
going to
one
start.
thing. Let's do one thing a week as two people are also on the call and they are
Yeah, yeah,
also listening. So I will wrap up the call here and we shall
yeah,
surely get in touch with you on a personal base.
yeah, yeah. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, Jyoth, are you clear? Any doubts till now?
Yes, ma'am.
And Prithpal, are you also clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's get in touch on a personal base and we will surely able to help you with Duolingo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.